In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your cursor speed on Windows 10. So some people will want to have their cursor speed speeded up on Windows 10. As you can see, mine is at the standard speed at the moment, but some people might want it a little bit slower, or some people might want it a little bit faster. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing you'll want to do is be on your main desktop here, and you will need to go down to the bottom left hand corner, click on the start icon and then click on the settings tab. Once you click on the settings tab, you'll be brought to this page here where all your settings are. So what you need to do is come over to the right hand side and click on ease of access. Once you click on ease of access, you will need to come over to the left hand side bar here and locate mouse pointer, which is right here under display. Click on mouse pointer and you'll be brought to this page here. And as you can see on this page, there is no option for your speed. So what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner and click on additional mouse settings. Once you click on additional mouse settings, as you can see, cursor speed is now there. So if I turn my cursor speed down, as you can see, my cursor speed is now very slow and it takes a lot to move the cursor around. So if I go back over, I can click and drag it up to the top, and as you can see, my cursor speed is now very fast. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and change your cursor speed on Windows, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.